It's now 4 o'clock p.m. on April 17th, Beijing time. Since last Friday, there is still a EUR-USD short order that entered at 1.1033 to 1.1080 on Thursday, so we didn't post a new signals video. The market also gave selling orders of Europe the opportunity to leave. The lowest price was 1.0963, and there is a profit margin of 70 to 115 points at most, if you keep up with the operation. Lao Dai reminded to sell when the exchange rate fell to 1.1022 on Friday, making a small profit on each lot, $110 to $560. In addition to daily signals on the video, we also use EA to programmatically trade EUR-USD and pound, and cooperate with intraday pending order signals to operate lightly. The profit gain is stable at 5 to 11% every month. Those who are interested can add the contact information at the top of the screen to consult cooperation. There's no limit to the platform or broker, and the account effect can be seen within 2 weeks. So, how to operate today? First, look at EUR-USD. Last week, the United States released a number of relatively clear economic data. Inflation was lower than expected, and the economy was slowing down, all of which would bring down expectations for the Federal to raise interest rate in May. Expectations of interest rate cuts during this year are gradually heating up, which is contrary to Powell's statement that there will be no interest rate cuts this year. The decline in EUR-USD eased today after birds took profits out of the market on Friday. EUR-USD suggests to be bullish at 1.0956 to 1.0901 with a stop loss of 1.0881. As for gold, after the release of many extremely poor economic data, the bulls were finally exhausted after Friday's retail sales data. Capped with the hawkish speeches of Fed officials, gold fell sharply into the U.S. market. In terms of the trend, the gold price has also tested 2050 twice, and the short-term bulls have almost used their upward momentum. Today, you can rebound above 2025 and then sell short. It is recommended to short sell gold at 2025 to 2035 and put the stop loss at 2037. The early morning of May 1st is the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, and the 2 weeks before the announcement of interest rate hikes are generally a slight period. Therefore, Fed officials will come out frequently to give speeches this week to guide market expectations, which is also a negative artificial intervention in the market. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of pound, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The picture above is a review of last Friday's views, and the bottom is today's point of view, but is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video, and we will watch the market trend to notify more accurate selling tips. For cooperation consultation, add the contact details at the top of the screen. Finally, I will give you a famous investment quote from Warren Buffett.